Complex data shouldn't feel confusing or overwhelming. Your audience should understand the story at a glance, not get lost in numbers and clutter. Introducing the Data Pro Pack, a complete infographic toolkit designed to turn raw information into clean, modern visuals that communicate instantly. With 100+ assets across 8 categories: charts and graphs, counter and KPIs, visualizer, geo and location, timeline and lists, labels and pointers, typography, and social media. You'll have everything you need to present reports clearly, build polished presentations, and transform complex data into engaging on-screen stories. Every element is drag and drop ready. Adjust animation speed, colors, and text directly from the edit page. No keyframes, no complications. Each asset automatically adapts to any resolution, frame rate, or aspect ratio, so your work looks flawless from vertical reels to cinematic 4K. Whether you're an educator, creating explainer videos, or producing business and corporate presentations, the Data Pro Pack helps you save time and improve comprehension. Elevate your presentations today. Get the Data Pro Pack with the link in the description or at videoeditorstudio.com.